Okay, y'all, so ignore the fan in the background. I'm gonna try this video with whatever. So I'm playing this for the first time. It's my goat, so I don't know. Come on, come on. No, I don't know what you have to do. What? Oh, so I think you have to catch it and then just place it. So I think tomorrow I'll be playing with my sister for the bugger. Not that you guys care, but yeah. Oh, I need to fill it up. You absolute idiot. Okay, so we're going to the lassos. Where's my money? $85. I want to kind of save up for the winter one though because wait, what do I get? $2.50. Right, come on, come on, come on. Right, so we do actually have to buy the car save up. So that's great. Oh, it tells you the strength at the top. Okay, okay. So I want just an original goat. I want that brown one. No, come back. What the hell? Come here. Right, we'll get this goat and then not plant it. We'll put it in the garden. Right, let's go. So get off the screen. Right. Don't know what it's making me buy, but we buy it. A sprinkler. How many I'm gonna need? Oh, place one. Like here, and then one here. Should work. Okay. So we go. Oh, you have to join the group. Let's get that. We're joining it. I don't care. Alright. Wait, is it even like a real goat or is it fake? Really? It's a statue. What's it there? Right. I've got a purple goat, what the hell? Okay. Right, so I've literally just bought 4 sprinklers because I just realised that's how you get money by them eating grass, so yeah, I'm a complete idiot for not knowing that. But it's quite hard. Right, so now I've got 1.6k and I actually wanted to buy this, so hold on. Mutate your goats here. Does it say mutate? Yeah. Why am I saying that when it's right in front of me? Hold a goat. Well, first of all, I'm not there. Oh, there's one here. Need 1,000. Right, well, we can't go there. From the goat, come on. So we're gonna have to wait a minute. Let me just speed this up for you. Okay, this looks kind of good, I guess. They're all eating like fries, but you know, it's whatever. As long as they're happy. Just eating God knows what grass, but yeah. We've got 2.7, not 2.12k, whatever. So now I can finally take goat, so yeah. Right, so I'm gonna use this one. Oh, rainbow! Oh my god, I don't know what the hell rainbow one is, but what the hell? Whoa. That's so cool. Wait. No, I don't want you. I want another one. That's actually cool. I have to wait till it's like, alright. This is actually one of my favourite things. Diamond, what is that? Wait, I'm sure there's a rainbow one going on. 8.1, that's not complete. Wow. I don't know what the hell that does, but... Oh. Okay. Okay, well I've just remembered that I have to actually buy things, which I don't think I can yet. So yeah, we'll wait. Wait, what if you do this again? Like, can you do it again? The rainbow, the purple one. Okay, we'll just stay there. You're next. Wait, let me buy a lasso because I can already say it. I'll get that one. Yay, we've got cow goat. Not sure how that works, but okay. No, that's my farm. Right, let's put you back and let me do this cow goat then. Lava? I'm gonna have to redo the cow goat. What the? Where's that cow goat? Oh, galaxy. Wait, is that there? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, well I think I'm going to mutate about 2 more and then we're going to end the video there, so let's see which one I can mutate. I mean, I'm just going to do the purple goat and then, I don't know now. And then we will do part 2. Right, I want this normal goat, so I'll have to wait a minute. I don't mind. Oh, this fire goat's pretty cool. Alright, let's do this goat now, see what we get. I want one. That's fine. Alright. I kinda wanna do the storm goats, you know what, we are gonna do that. I don't know what it'll do to it, but hopefully it does something good because that's giving it most of the money, I think. Alright, let's do the storm goat. So what we got? Oh, I wanted Galaxy. Did I get Galaxy? 5.1! Okay, but that's actually like one of the coolest things I've ever seen. But right, what the? That's crazy. Right, well, we're gonna let him eat, so let's let him eat, we'll do. Right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, which I don't know if you watched the whole thing because I'm quite mean, but whatever, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching, goodbye.